To replace the main brush motor on bObsweep Standard, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new main brush motor. Before starting any repair on Bob, turn his side power switch off and remove his dustbin. Then flip Bob over onto a flat surface and remove his main brush using the flathead screwdriver. Keep all removed screws and parts safely aside, as they may be needed for later reassembly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 7 screws on Bob's underside that hold him together. 1 screw on each side of the front wheel. 1 screw to the right of the main brush motor. 1 screw on each side of the dustbin. The final 2 screws are in the brush compartment. Bob's cover is no longer secured, so hold the top and bottom together as you carefully flip him back onto his wheels. Grip Bob's cover from the back and lift up to expose the mainboard. Slide the power inlet down and tuck it somewhere safe to avoid compressing its wires. To detach Bob's cover completely, disconnect 4 circuit plugs, 2 at the lower edge of the mainboard near the wheels, and 2 more at the top edge. Bob's cover is now completely detached and can be set aside for the rest of the repair. The main brush motor is found on Bob's left side, in front of his left wheel. Grip the motor and slide it up. Then grip the tab on the motor's circuit plug and pull up to remove it from the mainboard. Next, connect the new main brush motor to the mainboard. Push down firmly to ensure a secure connection. Align the new motor's edges with the indentations on Bob. It should easily slide straight down when lined up correctly. Once in place, you're ready to close Bob. Reattach all 4 circuit plugs connecting Bob's cover to the mainboard. 2 connect to the top edge of the mainboard, and 2 more connect to the bottom edge. Remember to slide the power inlet back into its space on Bob's cover. Align the cover's edges precisely. Then flip Bob over onto a flat surface. Reinstall all 7 screws previously removed from Bob's underside. Ensure that no wires are compressed in the main brush compartment or visible at the edges of the bumper. If so, take a step back and lift the cover to tuck the wires into the appropriate spaces. Install the main brush and dustbin before your next use, and Bob is completely reassembled. Turn the side power switch back on and congratulations! You've just replaced Bob's main brush motor. Happy cleaning!